Hi there, this is Lee Thurburn, and in this video we're going to show you exactly how to create an account and get set up to use the Apricot Rocket CRM and get leads sent directly to your inbox. So first, click one of the links that says create a free account, and on this screen you're going to insert your name. So we're going to use Chuck Norris as our name this time. And I'm going to go ahead and put in basic information as if I was creating an account for myself. And once you've filled in the information, check the box that says I am not a robot and click register. Now, the next thing that'll happen is the system is going to ask you to put in a validation code. So you're going to need to go check your email and get a validation code. So your email will look like this. It'll say validation code on CRM Apricot Rocket System. So you'll click and get your validation code and insert it into the appropriate field. Then when you click validate it, the system will take you to the first screen in a 3-screen sequence that will prepare your website or prepare the Apricot Rocket system to be completely ready for you to use. So go ahead and find, if you have one, either an avatar or a photograph of yourself. So I'm going to go get a photograph of Chuck Norris. And let's see, go to dates. Here we go, picture of Chuck Norris. So we're going to upload Chuck Norris's picture. We're in the United States. I'm going to pick the time zone. In my case, I'm in the Central Time Zone, so I'm picking America, Chicago. Choose your state. I'm in Texas, so I'm going to choose Texas. I'm going to click Save, and then we're going to go to Next Step. Then put your company logo, and likewise, I'm going to choose a Walker Texas Ranger logo, and we'll call this Walker Texas Ranger. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in my information. Okay, so city, state, zip code, company name. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. So there we have a logo graphic for Walker Texas Ranger. Now we're going to go to next step, and let's put in our name. And save it. Now the system is making a connection to a company named SendGrid, and SendGrid is who we use to deliver emails and to collect email delivery data, like opens and clicks and stuff like that. So this takes about 20 seconds for the connection to be made, and when it's completed, you'll be taken to the second sequence. Here it's step 1 of 4, where you tell us the products or services that you offer. So I'm going to pretend that Walker Texas Ranger offers building maintenance services. And since that's something you have to do in a specific area, I'm going to set a zip code list in North Texas. So I'll set my zip code range of basically the Dallas area. And let's choose another service. So the next service we're going to choose is going to be coaching for business coaching. This I do anywhere inside the United States, so I check that box. So I've selected a couple of items or categories, things that I offer. I'm going to come down and I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now it's going to ask for confirmation of your company information to see if there's anything different. So I'm just going to add a website. I'm just going to add Apricot Rocket website, save, go on to step 3. And so this is the email I'm going to get leads sent to. I'm going to go ahead and check the box for, yeah, please send them to my mobile phone. And I'm going to click save and go on to step 3. Now, the next step is where you're going to be presented with the terms and conditions and so of the program. And so basically how this works is really very simple. We're going to get leads and we're going to send them to you, and you can unlock and purchase the lead contact information by spending tokens. You can either purchase tokens or you can earn them for free by taking a survey. So if you don't want to purchase them and you want to get free leads, then you can take the survey. So you click Take Survey, and that'll take you on to our Apricot Rocket Leads and Referrals Program Terms of Service. And you can read this, but basically what it says is that you understand that by answering questions, we get to keep that information and use it to send you messages, and that when somebody unlocks a lead, which you have created, let's say you're interested in pest control services. If you're interested in pest control services and a pest control company purchases your lead, then they're going to receive the information that you provide. So I'll go ahead and click Continue. And now it just confirms some basic information. I need to go ahead and put in my zip code, and I need to select my state. And this is the information that so when somebody contacts me, when a member provider, this is a vendor that's bought my lead, contacts me by phone, what phone number do I want them to use? I'm going to use that phone. The email I want them to use is this email. So now I'm going to go ahead and click Take Survey. Now at this point, you're earning tokens if you answer questions. So I'm going to just answer questions, and you'll see that as I do so, the number of tokens I've got starts to increase. 12/1/1953, save answer. I'm married, save answer. I've got a master's degree, save answer. I went to UT Arlington, save answer. And as you can see, the number of tokens keeps increasing as I answer this information. So you just kind of keep going through and save the answers. So I don't have a doctorate, so I'm going to skip these questions. I'm employed full-time. I'm in management, and I'm an owner, and my title is president. Now, obviously, some people are not going to want to answer this, but if you answer it, you plug in an answer, you continue to get tokens. Do you own your own home? Yes. Single family. Square footage. How many cars do you have? Let's go with that answer. Do you own a motorcycle? You might say yes. Do you own a boat or jet ski? No. Plane or glider? No. How many employees do you have? You might give an answer here. And then, do you own your own company? In my case, the answer is yes. So at this point, I've now taken the survey, and you'll see down here at the bottom, I've earned a total of 8,000 tokens. But next, now we're in the last part of the sequence where you get to tell us what kinds of things you need. So let's say that you decide that you need tax planning services. So click on Accounting Tax Planning, and then tell us a couple of things that will be helpful. So you might need this one time only. And so you save answer, and now you're getting some additional tokens. You need the service within the next month. You might say, have some special tax issues to discuss. Okay, so you save that, and then this is personal or business. We'll call this personal. Save answer. So now you'll see that the accounting tax planning is green, indicating that we've taken this survey and answered that question, those set of questions. Now you can pick something else. So let's say maybe you've got a handyman project going on. So you click on handyman, answer the same thing. You need it one time only and within the next month. And maybe you want hang a on the wall. So you want to hang a television on the wall. Save the answer. This is personal needs. Save the answer. So as you can see, the number of tokens that you get just keeps increasing as you answer questions. Now you're permitted to answer 5 questions or to select 5 areas each week that you have an interest in learning more about, or something that you need. And what happens is when you complete this section, this generates leads that are sent out to people that have a service that they would be interested in reaching out to you. So now I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this, And over on the left-hand side, under Leads Program, if you want to go back through the initial portion, click List Items for Sale, and this will allow you to come back and add or change the items that you have in your categories of things that you sell. I'm just going to click off and close that. If you want to upgrade, or if you want to take the survey, you click here and you can go back through the survey, start the survey process over. Now let's talk about the upgrade. And I want to make sure that you understand how the Leads program works. We have two classes of participants: the basic participant, the basic plan, and the professional plan. Everybody starts off on the basic plan, and the basic plan members wait for 30 minutes before they get a notification that a lead has been generated. Professional plan members get leads immediately, so they basically have a 30-minute head start on receiving leads when a lead is generated. So if you're a pest control person and you're wanting to get pest control leads as soon as they come in, you're going to want to upgrade to the professional plan. Now, when you upgrade to the professional plan, you automatically get 3,995 tokens added each month. You get free SMS text notices sent to you. You can list additional services that you offer. You get a 10% discount on leads when you purchase leads. You can sell your Rocket tokens on the token market to generate revenue. You can get a personal affiliate referral link so that you can earn additional tokens. You get 5,000 tokens when somebody that you refer upgrades to the professional plan. If they upgrade to one of the CRM upgrade levels, then you get additional tokens for that. You can pay for your CRM if you want to upgrade using tokens, and you receive 1,000 tokens per month for each referral that upgrades. Our normal price for the professional plan is $39.95 a month, but for the first 1,000 charter members, you only pay $19.95 a month. You're locked in. You get that price forever, and so it doesn't go up in price. This is a good deal.